guys. Welcome back to my channel. I know you guys must be wondering, oh, I should start vlog now. Yes, I have, but I have a channel separate for vlogs. Yeah, no makeup, fresh face today. Yeah, so today I'll be doing a challenge. The challenge that has been going around, letting the person in front of me decide what I eat, something like so. So I'm going to do that challenge today with me, my sister, and my brother. He's over his house, but yeah. Okay. So I just want to get in this intro. By the way, guys, I have a tutorial coming to let you guys know what has been happening with me, why I haven't been posting over on this channel, even though I just started.
It's going to be a sister does my makeup challenge.
No, but I want to let you guys know what has been happening, why I haven't been posting and whatsoever. So yeah, in this challenge, like when I don't know, say we are walk foot, so we are gonna walk in. Like, this should be weird. We are gonna walk in and let the people them know, say yo, what the person in front of us just ordered. Yeah. This should be fun. So give this video sorry about that, give this video a big thumbs up. Get this video to as much likes as possible if you guys like it. Remember to subscribe to my vlog channel. I will link it somewhere on the screen. Follow us on IG and just go on within yourself. Remember, a tutorial is coming soon. So we're in the mall. We don't know where we are going to.
Yo, black no. One shave.
Okay. We don't know where we are headed to first. I don't know where we are going to go. Maybe we'll go KFC. Like, in the mall have a lot of different food outlets. That's why we came up here. Ale, you know you could have come up here, sir? Guys. Guys, I'm nervous.
God, go with your shit up.
I'm nervous bad because the girl I look like she buy a bag of things. I'm even afraid to stand up in the place. Oh, by the way, guys, we're in KFC, if I didn't mention. I'm nervous bad, you know? Good evening. Can I order exactly what you just ordered? Can I order exactly what you just ordered? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, ear with mother.
Whenever here, I just want exactly what I order. Anything we him get. Yeah. Order the wings.
Them kind of, I'm not sure.
Get it mixed, original and spicy. No, not original barbecue.
So we got it mixed, so we're going to grab on this and see how it is. Guys, we never had a juice. I was thirsty. I never go so you know, but it hot, man. Don't buy juice.
You come from planet Earth.
We're thirsty, so what we are going to name?
Burger King.
Oh, the king.
Burger King? Take a picture.
Pizza for one person. 3 Medicaid.
I get security if you want me. Yeah. Just call me. 781. No more.
1-800 170.
991
Oh, this number goes so.
No. 8 RJI number.
Jesus Christ.
Come get it.
Hi, good evening. No, I'm older. Can I get Can I get exactly what the lady in front of us just ordered? Like exactly what she ordered. Can we get that?
Everything.
Yeah, everything we should order.
No one did it, Adam.
Exactly. Yeah.
Water. Put it on the menu.
I'm sure we are gonna eat it today.
Put on the other machine, the latest one.
Hey!
Never had something said before.
Yeah, what the lady ordered one.
Yeah.
No!
Oh God.
We just tell you exactly what the lady ordered. No, give her what she ordered.
The one with the no tomato. Something for
Try it, you want to know? Cut it in half.
What?
Chicken and grape. Yes!
When ordered,
Yeah.
just so I can put a double on it.
She don't want to put a double whopper on it with pineapple and one bag of sauce.
Oh, yeah, I mean.
I mean, if you said double, what exactly? I don't want any ketchup.
Yeah, but red fries. Look at them fries.
Thirsty, I'm sorry. You eat the paper straw, it just make the juice taste different. So take out the burger with the paper.
You know what you jump on it for?
Yeah.
No, throw it in there.
These so small it is. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna. Oh, you can drop it.
Bona fide.
Bumbo. You get sweetie from Burger King. No, it's like so. Give me a drink.
So give me one now.
Come on, no.
Oh my God. Look at something. You know my vex? Watch out.
Food it. Is there no tomato?
Belly not full.
Belly full. Like
So I might buy one long.
Yeah, belly feel full.
and
Guys,
then your belly not ending in.
my belly not full. Like eat
Come
one.
on the end now.
Where is it? The pussy.
Oh, the song go we are
That's right?
family.
The right side up.
No. No, turn it back
Stupid ass.
Burger King give it sweetie.
This video is not sponsored by Burger King, but if you guys want to sponsor us, feel free and go
Gladly.
ahead.
Gladly. Take me sponsor right now.
We are family. Can we get exactly what the person in front of us just got?
The last one.
Or the last person? Can we get exactly what the last person got?
The last person I saw was crunchy munching.
Huh?
It was crunchy munching.
Or what the lady just asked about, which one?
No, what the person actually got.
You know the person?
No.
So what? What color was the ice cream that she had?
I don't know, but I want it.
No one must be ready, must have one
Yeah, exactly. The lady that gets too much some. Okay. How much you like? Hey! For this, yeah, cool. I want it. Exactly what you order. Baby mother. Baby mother. Take out the 5 bills. A 400 I say?
Where's you turn your phone sideways?
Eh?
Why you turn your phone sideways?
Oh, me a vlog. No, I'm not recording you, you know. I'm recording me, you see? Oh, I was recording you. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll give you a trouble. Just look up the Simply Amazing on YouTube.
Simply Amazing TV.
Yeah.
Simply Amazing TV. Yeah. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
You'll be a trouble. They won't do wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, I can promote my business.
Tell me your likes and your dislikes.
I can give you ratings also. Eh? We don't know. That's the color.
Just give them them things.
Yeah.
I sample them, you know.
Anything the last
I
person
see
order.
amazing, a sample tree. Sample tree. And I see amazing, nice sample tree. Look at that sample, bless them, Lord.
Thank you.
Have a good evening.
Have a nice day. Bye.
So we're going
We're going to sit over this. So guys, we got ice cream. We're not going. Please subscribe to my vlog channel. I link it somewhere on the screen. Subscribe to this channel. As I told you guys, tutorials coming, videos coming. I don't think I'll be putting any challenge on this channel because I want to keep this channel, you know, specific to one thing. I don't want to like branch out and do one bag of things, if you guys understand. So if you like these type of videos, you want to see more videos like these, subscribe to my vlog channel. And with that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for all my new subscribers. Thanks to the subscribers who have been there before and watching my content. Thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Share with a friend. You know, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think.